Hey everyone, have you ever asked AI a question and gotten a weird or useless answer? Or maybe you have seen someone get amazing results from AI while you struggle to get what you want. Well, there's actually a skill to talking to AI, and it's called prompt engineering. Today we are going to learn how to become an AI whisperer and get these smart machines to do exactly what you want. Let's start with the basics. A prompt is simply the instruction or question you give to an AI. It's like giving directions to someone who is really smart but does not know you very well. The better your directions, the better results you'll get. Think of it this way. If you asked a friend, make me something good, they would probably be confused. But if you said, make me a chocolate chip cookie recipe for 12 cookies that does not use nuts, now they know exactly what to do. AI works the same way. Most people think they can just talk to AI like it's Google, typing short questions and expecting perfect answers. But AI is more like having a conversation with a really knowledgeable assistant who needs clear instructions to help you properly. The problem is, AI doesn't read your mind. It only knows what you tell it in that prompt. So if you're vague or unclear, you will get vague or unclear results back. Prompt engineering is the skill of crafting these instructions to get the best possible results from AI. It's like being a director who needs to explain a scene to an actor. The clearer your direction, the better the performance. Here are the key tricks that prompt engineers use. First, be specific about what you want. Instead of saying, write me a story, try write me a 500-word mystery story about a detective solving a case in a small town, written for teenagers. See how much more detailed that is? Second, give examples. If you want the AI to write in a certain style, show it what you mean. It's like showing someone a painting and saying, paint something like this. AI learns incredibly well from examples. Third, break complex tasks into steps. Do not ask AI to plan my entire vacation. Instead, say, first suggest 3 destinations for a beach vacation in Europe. Then, for each destination, list the top 3 activities and estimated costs. You are giving it a roadmap to follow. Fourth, tell the AI what role to play. Say things like, you are an expert math tutor, or you are a creative writing coach. This helps the AI understand what perspective to take and what kind of knowledge to focus on. And here's a pro tip. If you do not get what you want the first time, do not start over. Just say, that's not quite right. Can you make it more? And explain what you need changed. AI is great at improving based on feedback. You might be thinking, why should I care about this? Well, prompt engineering is becoming a superpower in our AI-filled world. Students who know how to prompt AI properly can get better help with research and writing. Workers can automate boring tasks and become more productive. Creative people can use AI as a brainstorming partner. But here's the thing. AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. A poorly written prompt might give you wrong information, biased results, or just waste your time. A well-crafted prompt can help you learn faster, work smarter, and even discover new ideas. Think of prompt engineering like learning to use a really powerful tool. You wouldn't try to build a house without learning how to use a hammer properly, right? AI is the same way. It's an incredible tool, but you need to know how to use it effectively. So how do you get started with prompt engineering? The best way is to practice. Start with simple tasks and experiment with different ways of asking for the same thing. Try being more specific, adding examples, or changing the tone of your request. Notice how different prompts give you different results. It's like learning a new language. The more you practice, the better you get. Remember, there's no perfect prompt for everything. Different AI systems might respond better to different styles of prompting. The key is to be clear, specific, and patient. Think of yourself as a teacher helping the AI understand exactly what you need. Also, do not be afraid to iterate. Professional prompt engineers often go through dozens of versions before they get the perfect prompt. It's all about experimenting and refining. And that's prompt engineering. It's the art and science of talking to AI effectively. As AI becomes more common in our daily lives, knowing how to communicate with these systems will become as important as knowing how to use a computer or smartphone. So next time you are chatting with an AI, remember, be specific, give examples, break things down into steps, and do not be afraid to ask for exactly what you want. You might be surprised by how much better your results become. What's your experience with AI prompting? Share your best tips in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos about navigating our AI-powered world.